You can call me Chia. I'm grade 3 at SD Namiroh 3 Pekanbaru. Look at this. This is my puzzle. Do you know how to arrange this puzzle? Okay, I will show you how to arrange this puzzle. First, take all at the corner. Second, you can match the picture based on the picture. Give me the time to arrange my puzzle. Okay. Okay, done. Look at, this is my puzzle. So, if you like this puzzle, you can try it at your home. You can ask your mother. And thank you for your watching.